Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 sentences for speaking English with your brother. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First sentence is hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Second sentence is how was your day? How was your day? Third sentence is did you see that new movie that just came out? Did you see that new movie that just came out? Fourth sentence is what do you think of this new video game? What do you think of this new video game? Fifth sentence is do you want to play basketball together later? Do you want to play basketball together later? Sixth sentence is have you heard this new song by our favorite artist? Have you heard this new song by our favorite artist? Seventh sentence is how's work been treating you? How's work been treating you? Eighth sentence is did you see the game last night? Did you see the game last night? Ninth sentence is do you want to watch a TV show together? Do you want to watch a TV show together? 10th sentence is what do you want to do for dinner tonight? What do you want to do for dinner tonight? 11th sentence is have you tried that new restaurant in town? Have you tried that new restaurant in town? 12th sentence is how's your pet doing? How's your pet doing? 13th sentence is what did you think of that new album? What did you think of that new album? 14th sentence is do you want to go for a bike ride together? Do you want to go for a bike ride together? 15th sentence is have you been to the gym lately? Have you been to the gym lately? 16th sentence is what do you think about that new sports team? What do you think about that new sports team? 17th sentence is how's your car running? How's your car running? 18th sentence is did you hear about that new technology? Did you hear about that new technology? 19th sentence is do you want to go to a concert together? Do you want to go to a concert together? 20th sentence is what do you think of that new fashion trend? What do you think of that new fashion trend? 21st sentence is have you been to any good concerts lately? Have you been to any good concerts lately? 22nd sentence is do you want to try a new hobby together? Do you want to try a new hobby together? 23rd sentence is what do you think about that new movie trailer? What do you think about that new movie trailer? 24th sentence is how's your job going? How's your job going? 25th sentence is did you hear about that new app? Did you hear about that new app? 26th sentence is do you want to try a new restaurant in a different part of town? Do you want to try a new restaurant in a different part of town? 27th sentence is what do you think of that new book? What do you think of that new book? 28th sentence is have you seen that new TV show? Have you seen that new TV show? 29th sentence is do you want to go to the beach this weekend? Do you want to go to the beach this weekend? 30th sentence is what do you think about the weather lately? What do you think about the weather lately? 31st sentence is how's your workout routine going? How's your workout routine going? 32nd sentence is do you hear about that new gadget? Did you hear about that new gadget? 33rd sentence is do you want to go for a hike together? Do you want to go for a hike together? 34th sentence is what do you think of that new art exhibit? What do you think of that new art exhibit? 35th sentence is have you seen any good movies lately? Have you seen any good movies lately? 36 sentences. Do you want to go to a comedy show together? Do you want to go to a comedy show together? 37 sentences. What do you think of that new streaming service? What do you think of that new streaming service? 38 sentences. How's your garden growing? How's your garden growing? 39 sentences. Did you hear about that new festival? Did you hear about that new festival? 40th sentences. Do you want to go to the park together? Do you want to go to the park together? 41st sentences. What do you think of that new fashion line? What do you think of that new fashion line? 42nd sentences. Have you been to any good restaurants lately? Have you been to any good restaurants lately? 43rd sentences. Do you want to try cooking a new recipe together? Do you want to try cooking a new recipe together? 44th sentences. What do you think of that new video game console? What do you think of that new video game console? 45th sentences. How's your team doing this season? How's your team doing this season? 46 sentences. Did you see that interesting article in the newspaper? Did you see that interesting article in the newspaper? 47 sentences. Do you want to go to the game together? Do you want to go to the game together? 48 sentences. What do you think of that new bar downtown? What do you think of that new bar downtown? 49 sentences. Have you talked to any of our old friends lately? Have you talked to any of our old friends lately? 50th sentences. Do you want to go play golf together? Do you want to go play golf together? So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.